Hello everyone. That's a quick video or demo on this project. This project actually is like a feature bug tracker on your software or your product that you give to users, and you need the feedback of them, the requests or feature requests and bug issues they give, and to develop and improve your product actually. So this would be a homepage for your product or software. Actually, this version is in Arabic, but to make in English is pretty easy, or even to make it like Dell language is pretty easy. So just for demo purpose, I have this version in Arabic. So here is the homepage, as I said. You will have some like data or information about your thing, your software, or the product you um, you sell or you give to your customers or clients. And here, for example, in this example, we have here a product that's actually like an ERP product, and here is download button. Okay, so this would be anything that you will need or that you will find appropriate for a homepage for your website. Now let's go to the important features of the feature track or the feature bug tracker idea or project. So here is the development center. Here you can go to the actually the roadmap of improvements. So here we can see that we have the in consideration requests, and this part will include the requests that users made and the admins of the website, like so that these requests got high votes and thus should be in consideration, and that these requests or bug issues is really important regarding the software. So the admins decide to put it here in consideration, and this roadmap is important for users to see the actual work the team is working on. Like here is things in consideration or in quotes like planned. And here at the middle, the requests that in progress or the team is working on, and here the request that's done. That's why we have this line. Okay. So for any request card, you see here the votes. So a regular user can vote, can see the category of the request, the title, the description, the date, and here the thing that's telling the same thing here that it's in consideration. Okay, so if you go, let's log in here using Google account. I will use like a regular user account, not an admin for now. So this would be the homepage again. I will go to my account as a user. I can see here my contributions. So this thing is my contributions, and here is the status. It's published. Mansure here means like published. So my all my things here are published, and here are my like favorite list, which are the requests that I upvoted them. So I find them here in like favorites. And I can here in my settings like change the image or even the name and kind of stuff. Okay. Now let's be back here. So as I said here, you can find your requests as a user, and you can open any request and see details about that request. Here is the files you uploaded, the description, the date when you upload the request, the category, and here also the same status. And here is the logs, or we can see the comments that the admins put on that request. This one just have this acceptance log, no more, no less. And here you can see the voters. So if we have like many users, so you can see the list, the whole list of users. Okay, that's it. Now let's go to the Okay, let's do a new request. So if we want to make a new feature request, we can here go to the page of Development Center, then like suggest a feature, and then here we can put a title. There are two types of requests, the regular one and the detailed one. But I will be stuck now to the regular short one. Let's give a title, for example. I will write it in Arabic, to be honest. Just or let's say in English, why not? I will choose the for example invoices. I will do like the invoice uh uh categories categories feature. Let's put this as the description again, just to quick the demo, and let's send. Okay, now it's sent successfully. Here are all the requests, the feature requests that the users made, so you can upload them and so on. But you won't find your one that that I've just made because it's under review. So admins should first accept these requests under review, and then you can find them in here with the others requests. So if I go here to my personal profile, and then here I will find this one that I've just made with under review status. Okay. Um, as I said, you can either suggest a new feature request or even a bug. So issue a bug. And here are all the bugs that users made. Okay. So if you go for one like this one, for example, you can find here some details, the user who made it, and is it's a bug here, the also the logs and so on, and you can upvote it. If you voted for this bug issue, you'll be considered here, and with voting, the admins can see actually what are the features that users really need and what are the bugs that users really like suffer from and we need like to deal with it. So here I will, go and log out and join as an admin. So that's the admin accounts here. Okay, so this is the admin panel. You can find here additional choice. So the admin can go to the dashboard, and this is the dashboard. Gives you some details and some, like analytics about your system, the users, total number of users, the active requests. The requests need your review. So here is a quick box to accept or refuse the requests, and you can go here as an admin to the list of review, and you can see more details here, the description and the type and so on. You can accept, you can refuse, you can put some comment here. Um, this is as a log. Okay. And here you can see the requests that already published. You can see here by, for example, voting. So, for example, the most ones that go votes at the top. So you can like see more details and then change the status. So to change the status, you can, for example, for this one, let's make it in consideration. And here the message is we're looking in this request. It's now bland, and let's do confirm. And now this happened. So now it's in consideration. And if we go to the the roadmap, yeah, it's now in consideration. Okay, perfect. So back to the dashboard. Okay. Actually, I'm logged in now as a super admin, not just an admin. And the super admin has the ability to promote users to be actually admins, regular admins. So regular admins can see this admin panel can do the management of requests or review list, and even the categories can look in the dashboard, but they cannot promote other users or even demote users. So you can, as a super admin, promote users and you can also demote them here. You can see also the admins here, just the super admin, yeah, like order them and so on. For this part, okay. Also here as the categories as the categories that show when you make a new request as a user. So there are some categories like here invoices, clients management, employees management, and reports, for example. So you can change the names, you can add new category, change the color, the appear, and even change the order. Like if I did such a thing here, now this one will be the second one that appears in the drop down list of the category when some user decide to make a request. And here's the categories for bugs, issues actually. Okay. So I guess that's a good overview of the whole project. And also here I added this thing of like who we are and contact with us. This can be linked to other website or other page. Here I linked it to a page here that like shows some information about the team. Yeah, like featured project and so on. Would be a good idea here. So for this project, actually, I used .NET here, .NET for backend, .NET 8 actually, um, separated it into API, data access, and models. And no more, to be honest. Services are in the API and DTOs also. Data access has the migrations, the DB context and the repositories, and even the seed here. And for the models, we have the like the tables represented as classes here. I used Entity Framework also for as an ORM. For front end, I used Angular and actually PrimeNG and Tailwind CSS. So this would be a good overview about the project. Thank you.